Ese ritmo te lleva a mover la cabeza y empezamos como es. Mi música no discrimina a nadie, sé que vamos a romper lo mío. Todos se mueven, la fiesta la lleven mis nenes. Yo soy la arena de los nenes, mi gente no se detiene.
What up, YouTubers? It's me, Busy Bee, and I'm coming to you with another wig review for the new year. Yeah, that's right, we're in 2018. This is my first wig review for you guys. So happy new year, new hair. Okay. So we are going to go ahead and get into some new stuff. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can continue to get these wig reviews. And my blue makeup. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Let's get into this blue makeup for a second. Okay, so the reason why I'm rocking the blue makeup is because we got our blue wig review. A blue wig review. So I'm doing today a wig that was brought to me from Sam's Beauty. Holla Sam's Beauty for this beautiful unit. It is the Stylist Swiss Goddess. It's a goddess wig. And it is in the color OTBLBK, which means it's a blue black. And it looks gorgeous, and it's long, and it's beautiful. And so we're going to jump into this wig. If you have questions about this unit that I've got on here, okay, go ahead and check out the link above. Okay, click that link above so you can get more information on this unit I got on here. But let's jump into this wig. Okay. Okay, are y'all feeling me right now? Do y'all see this blue? This blue black? Do y'all see this color? That is so... Okay. So I'm loving this blue black. Let's just get it brushed on. Okay. Look at... Oh. Do y'all see what I am working with? Look at, oh, it's so beautiful. So freaking beautiful. Oh my goodness. Okay. It is a silk lace top, and it's called Swiss Goddess in OTBLBK because it's blue black. Okay, blue black. This is so freaking beautiful. So for those of you who like to go in, you can do your gotta be glued on this unit. I don't do that because I literally change up my wig every day. What I normally will do is just go ahead and throw on my wig grip. I don't have it on right now, but that's okay. Because I'm not going nowhere tonight. I made my part, so it's a 4x4, so you can part it anywhere. So I kind of did my side middle part I like to do with my units. So it's not quite on the side, but it's not quite not in the middle too. Anywho, all right. So I've already gone in with my NYX Stay Matte but Not Flat foundation, and I take my Lancome 27 little brush here, and what I love about this was I take it and I use the edge to kind of go in and do my part. So I love that. So love this. If you guys wanted to know the color of my NYX foundation, it's medium beige. That's what I use for my parts because that's what looks most natural to my hair. But can we get into that part? Okay. That looks so freaking good. Okay. And I ain't got no gotta be glued on or nothing. This is it. Looks really good, guys. Okay. Yes, it does. The hair is really, really long. I'm not even sure what length this is, but it's long and it's cute.
A mí me gustan más grandes, que no me cuepen la boca. Los besos que quiera darme, que me beba loca. Loca, wow. Loca, wow. Ooh, yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah.
You can get this unit from samsbeauty.com. This is once again OTBLBK in the blue black. It is called the Stylist Swiss Goddess. So go out and be a goddess this year for 2018. Let me know your thoughts on this unit, what you think, whether you like it. And thank you for watching. Bye.